Fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. And guys, Dollar Tree are offering red and black buffalo check chargers this year. And I know they're hard to come by. So I wanted to bring you guys an easy upcycle way to have buffalo check chargers for your holiday season or just to have in your charger collection. So if you think that this is something that you want to see, please to see all the different combinations that I came up with. Guys, I did two different versions. As you know, my colors are red, black, and white for this Christmas season. So I did two versions of this buffalo check. I did a red and black buffalo check, and I did a red and white buffalo check. These are the two styles that I chose to do. So just go ahead, stick around and see how they are achieved. First, you're gonna need some of this type of things from Dollar Tree. I think it's like the non-slip mats for the kitchen. That or something rubbery or plastic, something that you can draw on that will become a template for you. You're gonna need a piece of cardboard. This right here I just did use a folder, and you're gonna need a charger. Now this charger right here is not a standard Dollar Tree charger. I got this from a thrift store, and it's a high-end, very heavy charger. And so I'm going to use these because I think I got these for 25 cents a piece, so why not? So you're going to need several different colors of paint. You're going to need some paint for your base, which I'm using this one right here. Then you're going to need your main color, which is red, and then I have black and white, and those are going to be the actual charger colors. And then I had a protective layer. You're going to take your charger and you're going to lay it on top of your paper, and you're going to make a circle over it. Now I'm just showing you what you're going to do, but you would do that on that circle right there. Now, so if you know someone that's not a part of our YT family, please have them to hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so they will never miss an upload from us. Hit that like button, and guys, share it with 5 people so they become a part of our YT family. Now as you can see, I took that non-slip thing and I traced it with the paper, and then I'm going to take another piece of it because it's not quite wide enough to get the entire circle, but I'm going to lay another piece on top of it, and then you will see that I could complete the circle. Lord, I'm tongue-tied. So right here is where I am going to use the template again to mark some more of the circle. So all I did was just kept adding pieces to where I needed to be added to make my circle complete. And after that, or you can take another piece, but I'm using the scraps, and I'm going to line it up where I need it to be, put the template down, and I'm going to finish drawing my circle. And then guys, everything else from here out is self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you look at the rest of the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it and get some use out of it. I wanted to come back and show you that the slip pad has these lines on it, and so I'm going to use these lines to help me determine how wide and how thick my check's going to be. I'm going to go vertical over three spaces, and horizontal I'm going to do 8 spaces, and that's going to give me the width and the height of my checks. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. Fam, and at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it.